go back to lighthouse. Leah on me. Alora. On me, Alora.
May sniper sa ano.
Sniper, hillside. I mean the mountain. Can you check?
Dead.
Already dead. Okay, let's regroup now. Don't push so far, ah. Don't push so far. We are only fighting Newton, right? There's no pink or it's mix. Guys, I need your report.
I haven't seen pink. Pink always rushes at the end.
But now it's only Newton.
Yeah, right now it's only Newton. Pink is
Okay.
gonna rush at the
yes.
end. When the dock is nearly there.
Gabay, inalis mo inject nito?
Hindi.
Walang injector.
Baka ano niya.
Wala din akong panglipad.
Secure area, guys, 7 minutes. We still have time. You can
City
advance
ball
buff
and
for Titan Elements and Rainbow. Then we can rebuff. We can rebuff later. We need to stay strong, guys, Need to follow command if you want to win this. We need to beat pink. So we can gauge our strength.
Pink tsaka Newton maglalaban. Sol.
I'm not sure. Pink is too strong for Newton.
Enemy near watchtower.
Lighthouse.
Lighthouse.
Enemy near lighthouse.
Isa lang?
Only one.
Yeah, only one.
I think we need to focus pink side first, for Docu. Everyone will focus Docu, Also, guys, check
There's
your
someone
role again
sorry.
for base team and Docu team. We need to play objective, guys, not kill. Don't focus kills,
Leah inquiry.
Quarry, guys. Quarry, Leah.
What do you wish? What do you wish? What do you wish?
Wrong turn, bro. Alright, we are already 20 or still missing one? Who is the missing one? Can you guys check? Someone feel first if oh, okay, Bonds. It's Ate Koy. He said he will be coming.
2 minutes sa lipat tayo dun sa hill. Kabila, tawil.
Anong side? See what?
Malapit sa A1. Gitna.
Okay, copy. 2 minutes? 2 minutes, we're gonna move hillside near A1. 2 minutes, not now.
Nagka-clash ata sila, may namamatay,
We can,
Kami na, maaga pa.
okay. No, I think, just wanna check. Someone can check. B1 team still going. No, base team is, we're gonna check. I think let's take B2, or we're gonna focus on pink side. It depends if they got dock and we got dock. We're gonna focus for the rank 1 or rank 2.
Dito tayo.
I mean, who's rank? Okay. Can one player scout B2 now? Let's see if someone is staying there. Only one, Just scout. Thank you. Always remind for rebuff guys ha. Touch Reg, paano muna? Rinig namin yung timba. Salamat.
Slot-
Enemy
slot-
near.
Slot,
Enemy
slot.
on the
Slot for Ate
double
Koy.
mountain.
Slot
Near
for
Aven.
Ate Koy. Who take slot of Ate Koy?
Guys, enemy near Avon Mountain. The double mountains.
Can see who take your slot.
Cannot after 3 minutes only.
Hey Sam, sinong kuha slot?
After 3 minutes, I think we can. No.
Wait.
Hindi ko
Pwede
ma...
natin
ano.
to. Lipatan tayo, Sol.
Puno na ba?
They're
Let's go, let's
gathering
go.
up.
Let's yes,
They're
let's go.
gathering.
Let's go inside now. A1, near A1. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Yep.
Don't die guys ha.
Sa pinakataas sila. Yung malapit
Where?
sa B1.
I think all of them are gathering there.
Near B1 na they're fighting or they're just staying.
Fighting.
They're fighting. Newton and we stay here. Don't push so far. Let's stay here. Let them come here.
Okay, B1
And-
hillside. B1 hillside, all of them.
We are not gonna join their clash, guys.
Okay.
Remember, we're just gonna stay here. Let them come with us. Come to us. I mean,
I think it's Pink and Newton fighting.
yeah. Let them fight.
Using ata.
Yeah, it's Pink and Newton.
But who's losing?
Hindi si Lia to yo. Yung sa A1. Ano, si Lia yan.
Just stay here. Don't push so far. Once nakapasok ka na?
Di pa.
Let's stay here. Rusher, protect lang yung perimeter natin. Warriors, protect our perimeter, guys. Don't go inside. I mean, don't go to the enemy side.
Pink ata yun, Sol.
Let them push us, ha. I think we can rebuff now. We still can breathe. Rebuff, guys, rebuff. Focus docu first, guys, ha. Peter, clear perimeter fast and come with us. Warrior, focus docu. Pink side, we are fighting pink, right? Or no? You're not sure.
Depende sa yung docu.
Go ba natin left side pag dun yung docu? What do you think, guys? Which side? Left side or right side? If we gonna take doc. If north, we gonna take north, ah. Rusher. Okay, let's go. Let's go, ano? Let's go right side first. Let them fight there.
Ang babanda yun.
Right.
Right side. Focus right. Focus right first, guys. Let's burst this.
Wala pang kalaban, wala.
Fast burst.
Ba ako nag-vial?
Ay, gagi.
Gagi, sasakyan.
Okay.
Yup, sumakay ako.
Baka bilang
Ayun.
tong ata yung lahat ng kampe.
Check the other dock.
Madedelay pa yan.
Some of you go delay. Some warrior come with me, ah.
Delay.
Tara,
Naka-advance naman ako dito.
Newton.
Let's go delay.
Madedelay
Delay. Use vehicle, ah. Check
Wala
our
po-
perimeter,
clear dito,
lighthouse.
Clear dito sa lighthouse.
Okay, copy. Go delay now, guys. Everyone. Let's go.
Base na nila.
Kaya that malapit talaga ito.
Pasok na yung Newton.
Pasok sa
Nandito
kanila.
na tayo, Salvito na tayo.
Who take the dock? The other dock?
Newton.
Okay. Let's go, guys. Let's go. B2, base team, B2.
Pas na sa taas.
Take the, building, guys.
Ang pwesto ako bahala mag-guild.
Copy.
Stop, guys.
Don't forget to use vehicle, Also use pistol, guys. Stick together, Docu team. We're gonna slowly push B1. Oh,
Dito si
no
Lia.
one's fighting in B1.
Si Lia lang to, si Lia lang.
Docu team, let's go. We ready to report B2 team. I mean base team. It's still 2 minutes. Gonna
2
focus
minutes,
sa
2 minutes.
see base first. It's not open yet.
Wala. 2 minutes pa yung B base.
Don't forget, guys. Don't push too far always.
Open IC, 20 second.
Madi, no, stop.
Visit you
Dami sa B1.
So cute.
B1 B1, many here. They're already overwhelmed They're already overwhelmed B1. Let's regroup. Docket him.
May mga trap na
Go,
sa
ano.
Beacon. Okay na meron.
Pink yung B1 first.
Pink and Newton.
Regroup first, Pink and Newton fighting for B1, right?
Yes.
Okay, Docket him.
Makisawsaw na lang kayo dyan, Sal. Huwag yung...
Let's regroup first. Let's go to B2, then slowly go to the A1 side so we can regroup and slowly push B1. We're gonna take advantage of the clash. Come here, Alora here, in A1.
Okay, here.
Don't forget to time check, guys, for Docu and others. Go,
Wala pang
here
doc.
first, then we're gonna slowly push. Yeah. Gonna slowly push, guys. Regroup here, Docu team. They're already having clash,
Ayan, Sol.
Okay, let's go. We can slowly push now. They're trying to enter a side.
50 second yung B.
I die. We just gonna flank B1 side.
Madami. Mga pink.
Oh, yes, it's pink.
25 B side.
15 second yung B base.
Teka lang. Kuha na namin ba ito?
Nagko-contest pa sila dun, pre. B2.
Ewan ko sabihan dito.
Walang tao. Wala pang kalaban.
Wala pa sa ngayon. Baka
If you don't have enemy, you can flank. Just be sure to, to check your map always, guys,
Sige, manggulo lang kayo.
Ang hirap i-clash yung
Hindi, wag na kayo
B1
magpa-B1. Wag na yung siguro
Mahirap yung B1, Sol.
magpa-B1.
Mahirap yung B1.
Lapit na lang kayo sa B2, tapos kunin natin yung docu na yung sa
That's
hill.
Okay, copy.
Para di tayo kalat-kalat mamaya. Pero 4 minutes pa naman eh. Mga 2 minutes.
4 minutes, boss.
Mga 2 minutes lapit tayo doon.
Okay.
Pero wag mo lang muna siguro papuntahin sa B1.
Don't scatter, Docu team.
Tayo ka lang dyan sa B to. Ako bahala mag-guild.
We can stay here in, north side.
Manggulo lang kayo doon sa B1.
We can flank. But don't die, Let them push. Docu team, stay here, Base team, don't forget to flank and help us.
Sige, manggulo kayo. Wala. Ano naman, nagpapalitan sila dun.
Just report always. Okay, okay, copy.
Clear pa rin
Let
yung
them fight,
Bito.
let them fight.
Wala pa rin pumapasok.
We're just gonna stay here. Enemy, oh, kill,
Bungad.
kill red in our side, guys.
Ayun,
Here, north side, north side. Going here.
Yung C-base natin, yung C4.
Okay,
Tulungan.
copy. What colors, ano? Pink, blue, right?
Blue.
Blue.
Okay. Yellow is Newton.
Hmm.
2 minutes, guys, ha?
3.
Position na, ano, docket him. Sniper, can you flank?
Magparamdam na kayo dyan sa ano, Sol, sa pwesto na yan.
Yeah, oh. We are holding north side.
Para lumipat sila sa kabila kung di nila kaya i-push.
Docket team focus here on north side.
Laban sa top dock.
Someone trying to push now, ah.
May pumasok na sa ano, sa B.
Hey,
Malis ulit.
north side. Let's focus here, everyone. Defend. Docket team.
Ano ba? Dito lang tayo, Sol.
Okay, oh. Can I stay here, ah? North side, ah.
Ganda ng pwesto dito.
Medyo madami na sila dito sa B.
Bito, may umapak.
Bito, don't forget to
Kill ko
step
kayo dyan.
inside.
Kaya nila yan. Tiwala lang sa kasama.
Docket team, let's focus here.
Tiwala lang sa kasama.
Let the base team,
Help
Stay
natin
na.
Bito, 2 minutes pa naman yan eh.
Okay, tulong ka muna.
okay. Some of you can flank, but we need to stay here. We need to, to hold this ground. So they will not challenge this area.
Newton to.
Someone already.
Pababa.
Sa inyo,
Pababa.
Pushing up,
Yung
pushing.
na.
Meron
Sa-
na rin sa taas.
Someone pushing now. We need pushing now, Hoy, someone log in.
Uy,
Madami.
yung Newton na. Dito na yung Newton na.
Maraming red.
Magkukontas yung
Tapos
Newton na.
Hoy, Newton na contesting us, ah.
Ping.
Ay, pink.
No, it's pink.
Ang gati.
Guys, help here. For dock you.
50 seconds.
Yung Newton na occupy na yung B2.
Sige, yan.
Okay lang, ah. Okay lang.
Ubus tayo dun sa ano.
North side, go. Dock you team, let's go. Everyone. They already overwhelmed us. Eight seconds, ah.
Buong Newton na tayo.
We need to fight here. Go here. Dock you team. Let's go. Dock you team. Go here.
Tayo, sino pwede pumasok sa B2? Walang tao. Magdodok yung
May
sila
dock
na.
May dock na.
Huwag mong watak-watak natin, man. Ba't may nasabi lang Doki?
Heart, tayo ka nga dyan. Kill kita ako, bala sa'yo.
Dock. Focus north side. Let's go.
Kuha na nila.
Kuha nila. Papatay ako. Dadamputin ko.
Ikaw mamamatay to.
Patay.
Down.
Patay niyo lang. Puta, di malapit gang.
Down ulit, bleeding. Down.
Di, patay niyo lang.
Sige, Heart, dyan ka lang.
Go.
Ming, go na, Ming.
Pocket na.
Guys.
He going to ping.
Yes.
Puntas yan.
Saan yun ang down? Ayun.
Makukuha niyo ba?
Nakuha ko.
Takbo.
I got. Ready to
Give up,
take.
give up.
Glory.
Parash.
Ah,
Okay. Tulak mo lang, men. Pabalik na ako dyan.
Let's go. Dock you team focus. Don't let them take. First the dock.
Riverside,
Patawid na.
Riverside. Oh, saan ka?
Okay, riverside guys.
Water, water. Ready to take. Dying.
Glory, ready to take. Warrior.
Take. Nasa ano? Pink.
Pink.
Natawid na. Half HP. Ang ina, sakit naman itong bow. Ang
Check.
Tawid na, malapit na sa C1.
Going-
Malapit sa C1.
OMG and ano, Swarovski.
C1, near C1.
Waste team. Try to take B2 again. I'm dying. The fuck? Many in ano, near A1 north side.
Matay guard. Ay, hindi. Heal kita. Sige, diyan ka lang sa loob. Heal kita.
Mahabol din Newton. Mahabutan yata.
Papunta na Newton, tol.
Dock you.
Wala, papunta na palang papasok na ng pink.
Wala na nakaharang. Tara, let's ano. Everyone focus B2 now.
Ulit naman itong tanto.
Hindi pa pasok.
Di pa pasok. May
Hindi,
pasok.
lumalaban ba? Let's
Dito,
go.
down.
Dock you team, ano.
Andito pa.
Ayan, yung Newton ba nandyan?
Oh, nandito yun.
Newton.
Let them fight.
What the fuck, man?
Bleeding yung dock, bleeding.
Hindi yung dock, paano yun lang? Patagalin lang.
Guys, we need to focus, B1 and B2. Let them fight.
Newton yata nakakuha, Newton. Natatakbo ng Newton, natatakbo.
Let them fight. Come here in B1 and B2. Let's focus base first. Let them fight for Dock you team. Let's go B1, push B1. It's only few people.
Gulay niya yung B1, nagdodok yung mga yan.
Let's take B2 and B1 guys. Let's go. Don't chase Dock you. Let Pink
Hindi
chase
kaya
them.
ng pink.
Hindi ka tayo ng pink.
Nasa Newton.
Hindi kaya ng pink, man.
Ayan.
Papapasok man yun.
Delay nyo.
Hindi, wala, hindi ka. Na lang. Base.
B1, Dock you team, let's go. Don't forget to step on base always, guys.
Yan ka
Let's
lang.
focus base first. Dock you team, hold B1.
Base trap.
Clear pa yung B2, walang tao. 1 minute pala yung A1. 1 minute.
Okay. Dock you team, let's plant base trap in A1. Remember our guys our position in A1.
Sige, di pa pasok.
Di pa pasok, man!
Okay.
Walang suko dito, man! Tangin na.
Delay nyo lang.
Di pa
Tulungan
pasok.
mo yung mga pink. Don't kill pink. If they're chasing the dock pa, let them fight.
At binigay nyo na sa pink kanina eh.
You, bro. Asan yung pink? Kuha nyo.
Ano yung
Okay lang yan.
na kayo, Gang?
Newton, man. Layo ko ka.
Bleeding.
Bleeding, man.
Sila kuha.
Hindi ko lang sure.
1 minute
Lipat yung dock.
Pink.
Pink, huwag nyo patayin.
Pink,
Huwag nyo
huwag nyo
patayin.
patayin. Takbo.
Huwag nyo patayin, man.
3 seconds, A1.
Advance na tayo sa base nila.
Patayin nyo din.
Hitay.
We're taking everyone Base team
Kung makuha ng pink, mas okay.
But delay it a little longer, guys. Let's focus base B1, B2. We have warrior in B2.
Bleeding.
Yes, meron.
Bleeding yung pink, man.
Bleeding. Nasagasaan.
A1 boy, open na yun.
Let them fight. You're in A1,
Aywan.
Uy, sa'yo, ate ko, yari.
Don't forget to rebuff, guys. Don't forget to rebuff.
Okay, papatayin ko ulit tong pink.
Patayin mo nga ulit. Malapit
Hindi, papatayin ko, malapit na to eh.
Patay mo.
Patay na.
Let them take.
Sa pink uliman.
We focus base.
Sige, pause tayo sa base.
A1.
Walang tao.
A1, guys. A1. Newton, contesting.
Pangat na sa pink ka.
Coming.
We're gonna focus, guys, We're gonna focus right side dock. Base team and Docu team
Tulungan
later,
yung B1.
all will help.
Dito na yung ano.
B1. Who's in B1? Who's fighting?
Newton.
Heater, we need in B1. Don't leave A1 ah.
Hindi, nag-give up na yung ano, Newton. Nag-give up na yung Newton, nag-give up na.
Okay.
Nag-give up na yung Newton sa ano, sa docu.
Okay, copy. We're already ahead. We need to take one dock so we can win ah. Focus sa base team now guys. Docu team A1 and B1, B2. A1 and B2. A1 and B2, let's focus. Other base is bonus. Heater ah. Take high ground.
Meron ng tao sa B2.
B2. Warrior, we have warrior in B2.
Meron dalawa.
Okay, copy.
Base drop uli man ha.
3 minutes for dock ah. 3 minutes for dock. All focus guys. Only
Yung malapit na.
warrior ah. Switching for A1. They're
Ping.
slowly pushing A1 ah. Slowly pushing A1. Ready guys. We're gonna fight here.
Sarap 6K.
Yung malapit
We need
na
to
docu
take a long gap in score guys, so it's not gonna be a problem for us later. We need to take a lot of points so Newton can threaten us in points.
Bleeding na. Listen. Heal ko kayo.
Red, check red guys.
Ayun na, pushing naman.
Pushing.
Sabi pag di kaya A1 punta ako.
Okay, copy.
Tao ulit. Kalbo, talikod mo.
A1 ah. Pushing now. Let's go
A1,
high ground.
Bleeding. Patay.
Die. North side, I think there's enemy in north side.
Meron pa, Newton.
Start to heal.
1 minute, 30 seconds ah. Base team and docu team ah. We're gonna focus this one to.
Contest na sa ano, boy.
Likod ko pre.
Bakit
Okay. Just hold.
Sino yung OMG na sniper? Sa tabi mo.
Newton nagpo-push sa A1.
A1 pushing. I'm die. They pushing A1 guys, A1.
Nasaan tayo?
A1. Guys, pink got the A1.
Yung B2 din, na-take na.
Walang nakapak sa A1 papak.
A1, tapak. Warrior, we don't have warrior in A1.
Patay ako.
Ang dami na rin sa B2.
Lang, may
We need to
sniper
take
pa sa akin noon eh.
Yung Newton nagbito.
Patay na.
Regroup ko na sol.
Okay. Regroup in on docu right side, 30 seconds. Oh, everyone. 30 second right side dock. Right side dock. Everyone, come here, 20 seconds. Right side dock. Let's fast burst this and take it ah. Oh. Guys, 8 seconds. Let's go. Everyone here.
Yung
Everyone
Newton
here,
nasa
please.
Wala na tayo sa B2, pwede pasokin warrior.
Pass.
Right side
Let's
warrior.
pass burst
Wait lang,
this.
wait lang.
Pass burst. Fast. You can pass burst this. Go. Only few red here ah. Vial, don't forget. No. Still half bar.
Pink.
We need help here.
Sa isa yan.
Focus right side dock. Kanino sasakyan to?
Kalaban, Newton.
Mamatay na.
Doc. Newton.
Dying.
Bleeding.
Down.
Down.
Go.
Let's go. Focus this dock first. Everyone dock first. Let's go. Block enemy.
Spike man! Kakainin kita man!
Go. Let's take this docu first.
Meron sa unahan.
Focus.
Dying. Take. Castle.
Oh, ano ka?
Ginako
Okay na,
na.
ako na.
Meron pa sa taas.
Someone login! Lab!
Oh my god, Plab!
It wasn't me.
Your account man ha.
This
Too
the other
many
time.
access ha.
Second time.
It wasn't me.
Oh my god, Alora.
Gumagalaw yung Alora.
No,
Susunod,
nakalagin
susunod.
na.
Gumagalaw, tinakbo nung naglagin.
Nakitulong na.
Guys, perimeter, check perimeter.
Sige, patay.
Clear.
Sorry, natawa ako kakabaril. Yung Bito na iwanan.
Pasok mo na. Yung Bito,
And
balik
then,
na dito.
in focus base now. Base now. One push B2 first.
Focus
One
Bito
push
man,
B2
Bito
first
man.
B2 first guys. Docu team and ano. And base
Ito,
team.
papatay ako nito,
B2
pre.
first.
Kailangan natin ng heal, man.
We're gonna take B2 first guys ha. B2 first. Everyone, B2 first.
Bito.
Let's go. Yes, B2.
Pasokin nyo heal
B2
ko kayo.
first.
Pasokin nyo heal ko kayo.
Let's take B2 first, then
Mayroon na.
slowly push ano, A1.
Lia.
Go here,
Hindi ba kaya-
everyone.
Heal kita. Hindi guys, sustain.
Let's go guys. Let's clear B2. Let's clear.
Clear na.
Others go high ground now. If we clear this, let's go push A1.
Ay, may tao pa sa Bito. Warrior.
Isa lang.
Talon lang yan. Boost na lahat ng kasama niyan. Heal lang.
Let's go. Slowly push now. Red, outside. Let's go.
Ito si U. Si U nga pauna.
Slowly push A1 na. Let's go.
Sa itong
Take this
ano,
high
tao
ground.
natin. Dying si U. Dead. Push.
Okay, let's free it. A1 ha. A1. Slowly push
Meron pa
A1.
nag-empty man.
Let's stick together ha. Some base team help us.
Saan ko na wala
Just
ba tayong
flank.
heal?
We need eater in A1.
Baba na ako.
Coming, Sol.
We need to clear this. Slowly push. Let's go. Let's go guys. Warrior gonna enter now ha. Let's go Vial.
Dito rame.
We're already inside.
They're dying man. They're dying.
Yes, yeah.
They're fighting Newton as well.
Already-
They're fighting Newton
Flank
as well.
agad sa taas.
Just right side we focus right side. We are in right side guys. Heater right side. Don't enter left side.
Yes.
Only right side. Warrior we go in.
Mountain.
Yeah, mountain top. We have the advantage and position here ah. We can hide in the truck. Heater. Help us. Just focus here ah.
Ganun.
May warrior
Ito
sa
na,
gulo.
pre. May Newton.
Vial. Don't forget to use vial.
Ang mga
May heater man. Masakit.
Patulong
Tay.
pahit ng papapatay ng warrior.
Patay na.
Thank you.
Guys,
Yung
okay.
heater man. Ito.
Heater.
Mamamatay
Bleeding.
ako. Ow. I'm dead.
Warrior
I'm
pa ulit. May warrior pa ulit. Nakahapak.
Ay, warrior.
Okay. Vial. Just use vial.
Pre, may nakakabayo. Malambot lang yung nakakabayo man. Sirain
Okay,
yung kotse.
just hold guys.
Papak
Ano?
kahit.
Ako nakatapak.
Sige, ako mag-rotate.
Let's go.
Heal ko kayo. Sa
Ayaw.
gitna. Pasok kayo.
Mamatay
Mamatay
na
ako, pre. Dead ako.
Sige,
Yung mga
ako.
nag-empty man.
I'm still in.
Paano?
I'm still here.
Sige. Boy po, dito na ako. Pwede ka na mamatay, Sol.
Tangina mo. Let's go.
Hindi na mamatay man.
Oh, grabe.
Focus guys ha. Focus ha. Eater ha. One side only. Don't push so far.
Gumagalaw gam.
Iwan.
Vial. Don't forget to use vial. I'm dying in A1 ha.
700 points, guys. 700.
Yeah. Stay strong guys. Stay strong.
Mamamatay ako, Sol. Paalam, Sol. Hanggang
I'm dying. Gonna die also. You still have barrier?
Wala na.
Meron pa.
Laban
Okay,
lang
nice,
guys.
nice.
Nasa atin pa.
I will just recover.
Labas na mga rifleman.
Gonna take right side. Shit. I die.
400.
Mamatay yata ako, man.
Ako rin man.
A1.
Cannot move man.
300. GG's.
Sino to? Tara
GG's.
dito. Mangkill na lang tayo dito.
Stay. Few points now, guys.
200,
Just minute.
200.
Just
GG's,
need
yeah?
few points.
100.
Talo Newton gang.
Take other base, C base, guys. Already win.
Already been.
GG's, guys.
GG's.
No,
Nice one,
Oy,
nice one.
Don't trash talk, guys, ah.
Yeah, trash talk guys.
GG's.
Trash talk.
GG's, yeah.
Trash talk, then we gonna leave camp,
Well played,
man.
everyone.
Hindi nyo
Well
kaya.
played, everyone. Good job.
All of them focusing on just kills.
Yeah. We just want to focus on win,
Nag
guys.
1v1 sila sa kanina.
Let them play like a bobo.
GG's.
They just play smart, guys.
Congrats.
Congrats, everyone.
GG.
Sleep well. Now you take revenge, ha?
Don't revive, okay?
They bully you guys last week, ha?
Yeah.
It was one-sided, not even bullying.
GG's.
Now you win,
revive,
guys.
don't revive.
GG's. Well
GG's
played, everyone.
Luminig.
GG's guys.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Lumin. Thank you, Tadashi. Thank you, Pilot.
Thank you Luminig.
Thank you, pilots, guys.
Welcome
GG's.
Welcome guys.
Thank you Black Lumin. Thank you Black Lumin.
What the fuck, Ninka brother?
Malakas yung pink sa pre, Clash.
Oh, ang ano nila.
Kailangan natin masolusyonan yun. Kaya natin yun, eh.
Tol, may nag-sniper sa akin, 4K. Grabe yung damage.
Grabe. Sait nun, ah.
Meron pang 5K sa pink. Hindi ko lang sino.
Mga hustler yan eh.
Kita ko si Shaun na una namatay. Ini-sniper lang siya eh. Bago mag-start yung CTC. Namatay. GG's guys, thank you.
GG's. Tangina ni pilot team lang.
Gusto ata mag-CTC.